Unison Vehicle Manufacturing, General Manager. Dear Sir, we are a manufacturer of technological fluids which are based on micrometallurgical technology that converts metallic friction surfaces to significantly smoother, harder, and long-lasting surfaces, resulting with much lower friction and almost complete elimination of wear. Here is a link to an animated video that explains how does Polytron technology work. We offer mainly two Polytron technological fluids. 1. Polytron MTC, which is carried by any lubricant used to the friction surfaces and other lubricated parts to be treated through the lubrication system. 2. Polytron FC, which is carried by any fuel used to the friction surfaces and other parts to be treated in the combustion chamber and the fuel system. Among the main features of Polytron technological fluids: 1. They eliminate wear of engine parts. Life of engines or any other equipment is extended 300% to 450%. 2. They keep engine completely clean from any carbon deposits. 3. They make engines and other equipment run cooler and quieter. 4. They contribute to considerable reduction in vibrations and operating temperature. 5. They extend oil change intervals 300% to 500%. 6. They make injectors, fuel pumps, valve skirts, and valve seats last 100% longer. 7. They contribute to considerable savings in fuel and oil consumption. 8. Safety net number 1. Engines and equipment are protected for some time in the event of loss of lubricant. 9. They reduce exhaust pollutants 50% to 80%. In many mining and tunneling industries in closed areas, it is a very important factor to reduce health hazards. They can be offered to municipalities and transportation authorities to dramatically reduce smog problems in cities. 10. Their use results in savings in maintenance costs by up to 60% and downtime by up to 90%. 11. Can be used in any machinery and equipment with the same dramatic results. 12. Safety net number 2. In very hot weather, which sometimes happens in Nigeria, engines and equipment may overheat. Polytron does not allow engines and equipment to overheat. 13. Safety net number 3. In the event of the engine or equipment is flooded with water in heavy rains, or cooling fluid penetrates the oil system, it is protected and does not need any repairs. 14. They are very effective in equipment that operated in very harsh working conditions of dust, heat, and moisture, and heavy loads like may be the case in the driving and operating conditions your customers face in Nigeria. On your website it is stated, quote, "Our vehicles are specially manufactured to reduce their chances of overheating despite the hot African weather. The fuel consumed is nothing compared to the distance you cover while driving an Unison automobile." Also, you emphasize the importance of the environment and the necessity to considerably reduce the emission pollutants, which your vehicles are designed to do. Unfortunately, the quality of the fuel in Nigeria is not the best, to say the least, and the same is the case with many motor oils offered in Nigeria. This is exactly why Polytron products offer a huge added value to your existing business model, allowing your company to offer customers vehicles with dependability and reliability above and beyond the competition, and doubling down on the features of your vehicles described above. 1. Market of motorcycles and car owners. In Nigeria, people that own cars and motorcycles, most of them cannot afford replacing their cars and motorcycles every few years, and would love to keep them in good working condition as long as they can. Naturally, as the time passes, the vehicle performance deteriorates, especially with the driving conditions and extremely hot weather in Nigeria, not the best quality of fuel, and automotive lubricants. The fuel consumption goes up, the oil changes become more frequent, and so the repairs and downtime, let alone catastrophic failures like overheating, loss of oil, penetration of coolant into the oil system, etc. So, the financial burden of owning a personal means of transportation becomes heavier and less affordable. Since Polytron products reduce emission pollutants by 50% to 80%, integrating Polytron products with the user instructions and maintenance protocols of IVM vehicles, they can be presented as the most environmentally friendly vehicles. A. Warranty period. Since your vehicles are sold with 3 years warranty for major parts that are heavily lubricated, your company is highly interested that there are no failures resulting with warranty-related repairs. If Polytron products are integrated into your business model in a form of automotive lubricants under your company's brand name, like IVM, and make them mandatory during the warranty period, your company's warranty-related expenses will go down considerably, if not completely, increasing your profitability. On the other hand, the customers will be much happier since they will get all the benefits of Polytron technology listed above, like reduction in fuel consumption. If you will allow it during the warranty period, they may extend oil change intervals and much less downtime. Increased power and performance, which will take your vehicle's reputation up high, increasing their resale value, and the desire of the consumers to own them, putting your vehicles above the competition from foreign vehicles. B. Extended warranty. Since at the end of the warranty period that is accompanied with the use of Polytron products, the working condition of the vehicles are almost like of new vehicles, it is very profitable to offer the vehicle owners extended warranty for another 3 to 5 years, similar to CarShield type of warranty in the USA, with the same increase in reputation of reliability and dependability, and reduces fuel consumption, etc., like during the initial warranty period. 2. Leasing and rental companies. A. Rental companies. If Polytron products are integrated with rental companies' businesses, all the features of Polytron products listed above will become inseparable part of the performance features of IVM vehicles, making them much more preferable vehicles by the rental companies to own and rent out, since they will have much less maintenance and operational expenses, with double or triple service life, which will make their business much more profitable. And on the other hand, these vehicles will become very popular with the customers due to their lower fuel consumption, their reliability and dependability, in addition to the safety nets listed above. B. Leasing companies. If Polytron products are integrated with leasing companies' businesses, all the features of Polytron products listed above will become inseparable part of the performance features of IVM vehicles, making them much more preferable vehicles by the leasing companies, since the resale value of these vehicles will become much higher at the end of the lease, allowing leasing companies to offer better leasing deals and for longer time periods. On the other hand, the customer will be much more pleased with lower fuel consumption, the reliability and dependability of the vehicles, and of course the safety nets that Polytron products offer. 3. Environmental. A. Polytron products reduce emission pollutants by 50% to 80%, thus considerably reducing the smog problem in the cities and many workplaces. B. Polytron products contribute to lower fuel consumption by 5% to 10%, thus reducing the carbon footprint and emission pollutants. C. Polytron products extend oil change intervals by 300% to 400%, thus reducing by 4 to 5 times the volumes of used oil, which in many cases is environmental hazard. D. The quantities of oil filters that are an environmental hazard will be reduced 4 to 6 times. Since Polytron products will keep engines and their fuel systems in good working condition for much longer, much less vehicles will have high concentration of emission pollutants. Polytron products can help meet the new emissions requirement that are planned to be imposed in the near future. On the basis of economic and environmental benefits that Polytron products offer, many municipalities in Nigeria that operate thousands of vehicles may prefer IVN vehicles as a solution to emissions pollution problem and considerable reduction in operational costs. IVN vehicles integrated with Polytron products can be introduced to the municipalities or central government as a solution to smog problem in the cities. Polytron products have a long performance track record in the following sectors. Although not all of them are relevant to your sector, still these user references indicate how powerful Polytron products are. Mining, marine vessels, fishing vessels, cargo barges, etc. Trucking companies, bus companies, railroad companies, manufacturing, agricultural equipment operators, police, army, municipalities, electrical power plants, logging equipment operators, electrical generators owners, and any industries. Here are links to several user references from customers that experienced the extraordinary performance of Polytron products in their equipment for years. Although most of them are irrelevant to motorcycles, small vehicles, buses, and trucks, still these user references demonstrate the powerful and extraordinary performance of Polytron products, even in heavy-duty equipment. So to extrapolate their extraordinary performance to vehicles is very easy. 1. User references from Africa. 2. User reference from minibus cab company in the USA. 3. User reference from a landscaping company in Greece. 4. References from electrical power plants in Greece. 5. User reference from manufacturing company in Malaysia. 6. User reference from mining company in Serbia. 7. Effect of Polytron products on exhaust emissions. 8. Letter from Indonesian Marine Company in Singapore. 9. Short report about use of Polytron MTC in a propulsion gearbox of a fishing boat in Chile. 10. User reference letter from a company in Ukraine operating harvesters and other agricultural equipment. 11. User reference letter from an electrical power plant in Serbia. 12. User reference letter regarding Polytron MTC performance in wind electrical generators in India. 13. User reference letter from offshore oil rig company in India. 14. User reference letter from PepsiCo company in Ukraine, heavy-duty compressor. We may be able to set up a conference call with this company. 15. User reference from major granite company in Indonesia. 16. Polytron MTC technological fluid was used for some time in the electrical generators in Ecuador. Termoguayas Generation Electrical Power Plant until the units were replaced with new ones, and the OEM did not allow them to use Polytron. During virtual meeting, we can show the shipping documents and purchase order from the company. More user reference letters are available upon request. To see industrial commercial user references videos, where the end users themselves show engine parts from engines in which they used Polytron, go to 1. Polytron in 900 kVA Cummins engine of electrical generator. 2. Polytron in 1000 kVA Cummins engine of electrical generator. 3. Polytron in dragster racing car. 4. Polytron in Valley Cab fleet of taxicabs 7/17/2020. 5. Engine treated with Polytron is protected from loss of oil and sand that penetrates the engine. A test we have conducted in real time on a small vehicle and recorded it. 6. Engine treated with Polytron is protected from loss of oil and penetration of water into the engine. A test we have conducted in real time on a small vehicle and recorded it. Since combination of Polytron MTC and Polytron FC technological fluids, when used in engines, reduces exhaust emissions by up to 60%, Polytron products can be introduced to the municipalities or central government as a solution to smog problem in the cities. If interested, you can read about how do Polytron MTC and FC technological fluids work together to bring the engine to its best possible performance, considerably extend its service life, considerably extend the service life of the lubricating oil, reduce fuel consumption, and considerably reduce concentration of emission pollutants. If you decide that Polytron products are of interest to you and your company, we can then set up a virtual meeting with your technical and commercial staff, during which we can answer any technical questions. And if the time allows, we can also have live demonstration with a portable tester, which can demonstrate in real time the extraordinary anti-friction and anti-wear properties of Polytron products, including in presence of water and dust and loss of oil, compared to any other products on the market. Thank you for taking the time to read the information. Best regards, and hope to hear from you soon. Sales and Technical Support, Eptec Corporation.